type shit.
And for your friends.
With my friends.
Gordon, turning balls. Hey man, I go crazy.
You see some shit. That's what they taught me to do though. I know somebody got a wood out here.
They call me a demon. You said what?
It's ready, shit. You might want to turn it off though before it die though.
Yeah, it will die. I don't see nobody. It's maybe on the other side. Maybe on the other side.
Probably. That might be a dingy ass type shit. That's what I said.
I want to actually get a real cute one.
I can't find no host too.
You always like this the whole time.
Nigga low.
What are you doing? Are you doing yours?
Fuck your shit, baby.
Hello? What happened to hello? How are you?
Straight like that.
You
You know what's crazy? I ain't even gonna say the number. I'm just doing it for
all
the
this
video.
dinner bro shit.
Three numbers, Bob.
Who are you? Okay. What? Not the camera. Respectfully, what's the camera about? And you're not saying anything. What's the camera about?
He's trying to look like he's hard getting bitches' numbers.
I'm over here like, what is this nigga doing?
You got a poodle's number, so.
What you doing, little son? Where do you get the water bottle from?
And my name is Elizabeth. Call me Beth. New York.
Oh, now he talking.
I graduated.
I want y'all to do just pull up your phone number, call log, and just go like this. You don't say nothing. You go show it to a girl and they gotta put their number in your shit. You don't say nothing.
Hey, that's your fault. Y'all should have meet me here, not beat me here. It's opposite? Is it opposite? Hey, y'all should have beat me here, not meet me here. Fuck wrong with y'all?
Listen, man. You heard him. Take
That shit.
It's not giving. It's not giving. Go over there and show that bitch. Go over there. I bet you will.
2 man, right there, in the red. In the red. Behind you, right behind you, right there. Huh? Nah, but I said that's them niggas. Lacey talking about they not. Cause I'm saying I'll go up.
Boy, for the vlog.
That's what I said though.
For the video.
For the video, Lacey trying to get me fighting out here, man.
They not with them.
What you want, Twine? You gotta pull up your phone. You just gotta walk up to him. Apparently that's the video. I'm not trying to get rejected on camera though. Ugly though, this see niggas.
If you get rejected, oh well, there's another one. The worst they can say is no.
You're right. Alright, come on, Lacey.
Are you going?
That's how bad it is.
I told you on the video.
So they just following niggas and shit.
Intermediate bad.
You know that nigga, him in Europe? Huh? What you been on though? Right? That's the video you doing. Huh? Like, what is this? What's the video you doing?
What content you doing, bro?
So what?
Y'all doing like Riz? Nah, my nigga do Riz videos and shit like that. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, what's up, bro? Damn on who?
Listen. Me and this nigga, my freshman year of college, bro. This is my nigga, bro. This nigga used to troll niggas. Be a good presence to be around, bro. Good reference. It's a good nigga to be around, bro. On God. Yeah, go talk some fine shit. Hey, fine shit. Come here. Fine shit.
She's some shit. Nah, that ain't her. Listen. You already know.
No, that's not fake. No, I talked to her too. I said he was just like my
Let's go.
I ain't gonna lie. We all the bitches.
Listen, I'm finna hold this. I see somebody. Hey, yo, that's how you do it, man. Straight up, no talking. No talking. No. Hey, yo.